Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is another word for the day. This is the French word for glamour. It's to charme, not. So, spelled like charm. So, let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I got two ties for this. I'm going to come over here and we're going to just fold them in half. I'm going to use a wider tie on the bottom and a skinnier tie on the top, obviously. Just have a good contrast in colors. Doesn't have to be these colors. So let's go ahead and take the ties this way, bring them around like so, and then we're going to do that again like this. We're going to tighten them up like that, and it'll kind of tighten it to where one kind of makes this almost a diamond shape. So then we're going to come with the blue one on my right side, and I'm just going to bring it down like so, like this, to secure it, fold it in half, and do the same thing just like that. So we create that. So then I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side, looking like this, fold it in half, and boom, there we have it. So that's what we have so far. So what I want to do now is I want to leave this folded in half, this yellow one or the top one. I want to bring it through this right here, have this going, and then just tuck it under here. Okay. Maybe even squeeze it through that too, just to secure that. And then what I'm going to do for this right here, for this blue one, is I'm going to do a similar thing. I'm going to come up through here. It's folded in half. There's this. And we're going to come through here. It's folded in half also. I'll just slide it through like that. Let me put my collar down, and there you have it. So again, see the picture of this, go to my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials, so you can see it. Oh no, style, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video for the next word of the day. Peace and God bless.